The young people like the system. They love that they not only hear the music, but they can also feel the music. What we had dealt with before in the sanctuary is we had some places it was better to sit than others because the sound was either too soft or it was too loud. We got a new set of speakers. Boy, the clarity with those speakers is incredible. You get good sound wherever you are.
Having grown up with analog, that's what you're comfortable with. But now having transitioned to digital, I don't know why it took so long to get there. Digital is really much easier. It's fun. It gives you options that you could never have with an analog system. I feel like with Alpha Sound, we've not just had a company come in and do this for us, but we've actually established, I think, a good working relationship and a friendship.
When we tell our artists about our venue and the new sound system, the Nexo Yamaha, they all know what that means, and they're all excited. They know we're going to do a quality show. The difference with this system is it doesn't matter where you are in this venue, it sounds the same. And so it's making our subscribers happier.
The new system has provided our audience with a sound that they appreciate, even to the ones who may not have a perfect ear. They still appreciate it. The relationship that we've had with Alpha has been wonderful, and we do want to continue it. They think of things that we didn't even think of to do with the sound system. So it's definitely been a wonderful thing for our audience.
The mixer's been a great addition. I have a night supervisor that we run all kinds of night events in here. He comes in, turns on the power, hits the preset that we use, and everything's there. It's not only great for our community concerts, but it's been wonderful for the school in general with our presentations that we do for the senior class, for the junior class. Setup's been easy. The sound is great. It's just been a wonderful addition to our school.
I'm Austin Rowe. I'm the Director of Production at Northwest Christian Church. We have a Nexo M12 line-away system with RS-18 subs and a CL1 console, all driven with the Audinate Dante system. The coverage of the M12 system has been absolutely flawless in terms of covering every seat in the house. The workflow on the CL1 console has been absolutely fantastic in terms of volunteer friendliness and ease of use. The sound of the console is absolutely just amazing. I don't think I would go in any other direction with this church. We have 4 RS-18 subs. It's been good having the extra headroom for our youth events and conferences. The system sounds absolutely fantastic.